Where's the top here? Come on. There we go. Point A is at, oh, this is number 1, minus 9, 7, and B is at 5, 11. So if I roughly draw that, minus 9, 7, and 5, 11, so something like there. And first we need to find the line which is perpendicular to this and passes through the middle point. Now the middle point is, you know, the middle point is the point in between these two, exactly in the middle. And if you didn't know how to do that, you could actually have a good guess at what to do. How do you think I could find this middle point? Yeah, basically add these and divide by 2. They should be in the middle. So the middle of minus 9 and minus 5 is minus 9 plus 5, which is minus 4, over 2, which is minus 2. That's important, Sean. And then 7 plus 11 is 18 over 2, 9. Now we'll need to get the slope. That's 11 minus 7 over 5 minus 9. Yeah? That's 4 over 14. That's 2 over 7. So the one we want, minus 7 over 2. So we have y equals m x plus c. Now, I have 3 points, but only one of them I can use for the c. Which one? Yeah, only this one. So 9 equals minus 7 over 2 by minus 2 plus c. So cancel, 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 cancel. C must be 2. So I have my answer. My answer is y equals m x plus c, which is 2 here. Okay, that was, like I said, a little bit harder than normal, but not too bad. 4 marks for this. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Monica, do you think you could move the projector a little bit, please? A bit to the left, and if possible, a bit down. Good. And can it be tilted down or not possible? Ah, that will do, that's fine. That'll do. Thank you. Okay, can we have a look at question 2 now? Can I look at question 2 now? Mm-hmm. Yep, okay. So, number 2. Event, okay, so you have 3 events here. Basically, you can have A and not A. Then you can have a B and not B. B and not B. And then finally a C, not C, C, not C. Oh dear, one now space. C, not C, C, and not C. And the question, they would like A, B, and not C. So in the question, they want the probability. Come on, there we go. Come on. A, B, and not C. Now, they tell you that A is 0.36. And B is 0.44, and not C will be 0.41, because what they gave in the question was this, 0.59. So the answer, the probability, will be 0.36 times 0.44 times 0.41 to give me this path. So let's just hit that in, 0.36 times 0.44 times 0.41, and they want 2 significant figures. So in the answer they want 2 SF. 2 SF will be 6.5 here. 0.065. That's to two significant figures. That was a pretty nice question for 3 marks if the English wasn't a problem. So they say in the question that you get 1 mark for doing the 2SF. Yeah, question?
How can you determine if this can be probability?
What's the alternative? No, seriously, like if it's not probability 3, then what is it?
Like just one like
You don't have to draw the tree. You could just write this down directly. I just drew the tree to help explain it, but the question never actually said, did it? No, the question never actually said to draw the tree. So I don't even think there's any marks for drawing this tree. You don't have to draw the tree. Let's have a look here. Let me see what the marking scheme says. So, yeah, the marking scheme, it gives us 1 mark for writing this, and then 1 mark for writing this. But if you don't write this, it's okay. You can still get that mark if this is right. 1 mark for the SF. But this is optional. You don't write that, then you get 2 marks for this and 1 mark for the multiplication. No marks for the tree. Never said to draw the tree. No, what's your question? My point is, what you said, how do we know we can write it this way?
No, I mean, nobody said it.
Let's have a look. Nobody said what?
In a row, it happened.
Not important. We could have drawn the tree like this. B, C, A. The order's not important.
It could be just A and B and C.
How?
Just one.
Just one?
And then B and then C.
Ah. You mean like this? And then what? What about not A, yeah? If A can happen, it also can't happen, and then not B, and then not C. But if you draw the tree like this is what you're saying, okay? If you draw the tree like this is what you're saying. You're saying it's impossible to have A and B at the same time, because you live in a world where you start here, and you can either finish here, or you can finish here. So in this world, you can't see A and B at the same time. This works for coins when you can have heads or tails. But if you throw a coin and throw a die, it's wrong to say heads, tails, and a 6. Because you could get heads and a 6. So you would need to draw it after it, or before it. But they can happen together. In fairness though, perhaps the question should have said A, B, and C are independent, meaning they don't influence one another. Perhaps really they should have said this. A, B, and C are independent events. Should really have said that, I think. Okay, can we look at 3 and 4? So, 4 marks and 4 marks. 8 in total here. Should take you 8 minutes. Okay. 8 minutes. Finished. Super fast. Call you Alan Barry. No, Barry Allen. Awkward. Easy peasy? Breathing. Finish, Sean? No? Okay. Should be finished question 3 and you should be doing question 4 now. Yeah, should be starting question 4 in a moment. You had breakfast?
No.
An apple? How's that supposed to keep you warm? Yesterday, because it was the weekend, I put a little bit of brandy in my porridge. That will get you nice and warm in the morning.
I cannot bring alcohol to school, can I?
No, but I didn't say you have to eat it at school. What you do before school is your business. Right, you're not a minor, are you? I'll get into trouble for encouraging... No, okay, good, okay. Just to make sure. Math teacher arrested for encouraging minors to add brandy to their breakfast.
I only have whiskey right now.
It's unfortunate. 2 minutes. Should be finishing number 4. Finished. Got them right? Come on. Finished? Okay, let's have a look now at this question here. So what I should do first is factorize. Well, that has to be a 3. No choice about it. Now, because the 11 here, 5 and 4, no, because that'd make 12 and 5. 10 and 2, no. Is it 5 and 4? 5 on the 3 to make 15, and then minus the 4, like this?
Yeah.
Okay. This is minus 5. This is 4 over 3. We have this shape. We have less than, so underneath the answer is x is between minus 5 and 4 over 3. Probably took you less than 4 minutes to do the first one here. Let's have a look at the next one, A4. Can I scroll down? No? Quick, come on, Fahad. Yep, okay. 4. Expand 4 minus a half x power 4. Yeah, expand this. Okay. I wonder, I'm just thinking about, would I like to do anything with the half? No, I won't bother. So this is 4c0 minus a half x 4, like that. And then it's 4c1 1 minus a half x 3 plus 4c2 2 minus a half x 2 plus 4c3 1 minus a half x cubed plus finally 4c4 0 minus a half x 4. So let's get the calculator out to do this. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Next time I see you speaking something which is not English, I'll make you stand out in the cold and you'll have to look at the maps through the window. And you won't have your coat. I'll keep your coat.
I'm not tall enough for that.
Huh?
I'm not tall enough for that.
No, that's true. I'll bring a box out for you to stand on then, if you start speaking something other than English. Okay. So, we can type this in on our calculator, but actually I have an idea to do this quicker. Let's see, mode table, and we're going from, this is, I don't know would this work. This is my crazy idea. I never tried this before. 4 minus x C x. Some people figure out what I'm doing now. And then the next one is 4 power 4 minus x. And then the last one is minus 1 over 2 power x. I have that backwards, don't I? 4 minus x here and this one is the x. And then that one is the 4 minus x. Okay. Start at 0, go to 4 in ones. Are these the coefficients? Alright, my plan didn't work. I'll just type it in the old-fashioned way. Okay. 4C0 times 4 power 0 times minus a half power 4. Okay, so the first one is 1 over 16?
Yeah.
1 over 16x4. Okay? The next one, I need to change this to a 1, change this to a 1, change this to a 3. Minus 2? Minus 2x cubed. So the next one's probably a plus. 2, 2, 2, plus 24 x squared minus 128. Let's double check. 2. No? Minus 2x? Did I make a mistake? What one am I on now? Oh, I'm on 3, is it? Sorry. 3. What did I do previously? Was it right? 128, thank you, sorry. And then the last one, this is a 4. 256, okay. 4. 256, okay. Okay. Can I scroll down? Yeah. Right, if I look at the next one now, now, before you start it, let me just point out, they want you to simplify this, and your final answer must not have any logs. So at the very end, no logs. And note, you cannot use your calculator because it says here, show your workings on each stage. Now, you can definitely check the answer on the calculator, that's fine, but you must show the steps. So this one is 4 marks, so it should take 4 minutes. Okay, try this one please. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, you should be finishing the question now, I hope. So let's have a look at it. So what I'll do first, I'll bring the coefficients up to the power. So just so you're clear, this first one, come on. Now I know that, I'm just waiting for this to catch up with me. Trying to write without seeing. Hey! Fourth root of 16 cubed. Yeah. So, that's the square root of 36, which of course is 6. At power 4, 2 4, this is 16. The fourth root of 16 is 2. And 2 cubed is 8. So, this will be log 9.
6 over.
Well, yeah, we can put it at 16 times 8. No, sorry. No. 6 times 8. 6 times 8 over 16. Now, 16 is 8 times 2. So 8 goes into 8 once. And 8 goes into 16 twice. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So this is log 9 3, which is 1 over log 3 9. Well, 3 to what power makes 9? 2. So the answer here, 1 over 2. Now let's check the answer, because we can check this on the calculator. Let's see. So we have 1 over 2 log 9/36 minus 4 log 9/2 plus 3 over 4 log 9/16. 1 over 2. So in the exam, I know that I got full marks for this question. Okay, write that down. Now, of course, you know there's other ways to do this one, like other simplifications you could have made. This is just one way to do it. Let me just take the attendance here before we continue. Attendance. Why what?
Why 6 minus 8?
Why 6 by 8
Yeah.
over 16? What I could do is change this into log 9(6) plus log 9(8) minus log 9(16).
Okay. I know we can't change it.
Oh, you can. Yeah. It's okay?
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I trust you?
Yes.
Oh, definitely shouldn't. I do. No, I do. No. Hmm. Intended. Very slow to open. I'll have to do it later. Okay. I'll do the attendance later. Okay. You can take a break for a couple of minutes. Get some tea or coffee to warm you up.